Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the line dance Damn Darlin. This is a 48 count, 2-wall improver level waltz choreographed by Josh and Sally Talbot. Let's get into it. So facing your front wall, being a waltz, majority of times these will start on your right. This dance doesn't change that. We're going to be starting with our weight on our right. With our left, we're going to be completing 3 twinkles and a step sweep for our first 12 counts. So moving across with that left, you're going to go across, side, replace, and again, cross, side, replace. Once more, cross, side, replace. Step the right across and sweep that left around for 2 other counts. That completes your first 12 counts. From here, your next section will be moving across quarter back, a basic waltz back, and then 2 basic waltzes forward, doing a half turn on each, completing a full turn. That looks like going across with that left, stepping on that right, traveling backwards, turning a quarter turn to your left shoulder, so your 3 o'clock wall, stepping back on that right, and then stepping back on that left. You're then going to complete a basic waltz back on the right, so you're going to go back, together, together. From here, you'll be traveling forward with your left first. You're going to be turning over your left shoulder, and you're going to be completing 2 basic waltzes with a half turn on each one. So you're going to be going waltz forward, 2, 3, and you've completed your first half waltz. You're now going to waltz back again, but you're going to be completing that other half turn over your left shoulder. So you're going to go back, 2, 3. Let's go back to the beginning and put those 2 sections together. Starting from the beginning, your weight is on your right, moving across with that left, 4, 5, 6, and cross, side, replace, right cross, side, replace, left cross, side, replace, right cross, and sweep. We go across, quarter, back, right waltz back, left waltz half, right waltz half. From here, we'll be moving forward with the left and doing a slow kick with the right, and then we're going to do a back lock back and a back drag for our next section of 12. So moving forward with that left, we step on the left, raise the right leg for 2 counts, and then traveling back with that right, we go back on the right, cross the left over, step back on the right. Then we step back with the left and drag the right back to meet it over 2 counts. That is our next section of 12. Let's go back to the beginning, add that next section on. From the beginning of the dance, weight is on your right, twinkle with that left, 4, 5, 6, and we left twinkle, and we right twinkle, and we left twinkle, and then step sweep. We go cross, quarter back, waltz back, left half waltz, right half waltz, step left kick right, and back right, lock, back, back left, and drag right. You're now ready to do the next section. This will be a step half half, step forward tap, and then you're going to do a sailor quarter turn. So what that looks like is you're going to step forward on that right. Now you're going to be traveling forward 2 more steps with the left right. So if you don't want to do a turn, you would just walk left right. If you do want to turn, or you following the step sheet, you'll be completing a full turn over your right shoulder. So you're going to be going left back, right forward. You're going to step forward on that left. You're going to tap the right beside it and hold for 1 count. From here, you're going to just be doing a sailor with a quarter turn to your left. So what that looks like is stepping back with that right, stepping the left out to the side, being a quarter turn to your left shoulder, and then replacing the weight back onto that right leg. Let's add that section on, and we're nearly done. There's only 6 more counts to go. Facing the front, weight is on your right, moving with that left, 4, 5, 6. We go left twinkle, and right twinkle, and left twinkle, step, sweep, bring it across, cross, quarter back, right waltz back, left waltz half, right waltz half, step, left kick right, lock, back, back, drag. Now you step half, half, step, half, half, step, tap, hold, and then sailor quarter turn. Excellent. The last little section on here is the last 6 counts. You're going to step back slightly on that left. You're going to sweep that right around for 2 counts. You're going to step slightly back on that right. And then your last 2 counts is just raising that left leg as a little hook across the right. And you are ready to start the dance again with your left twinkle and the right twinkle. Let's go back to the beginning and complete all that all together over 1 wall. and we'll be walking through both front and back non-stop from here. There are no restarts or tags in this dance. Facing the front wall, weight is on your right. Moving with that left, 4, 5, 6. Left twinkle and right twinkle and left twinkle, step and sweep. Weave it across, cross, quarter, back, waltz back, left waltz half, right waltz half, step and kick, back right lock, back and drag, step and half, step, full, turn, step, tap, sailor, quarter, step back and sweep, back and hook. Keep it going. Left twinkle, right twinkle, left twinkle, step and sweep. And we go cross, quarter, back, back waltz, left waltz half, right waltz half, step and kick, back lock back, back and drag, step and full turn, step and tap, sailor quarter, back and sweep, back and hook. Starts again, left twinkle and right twinkle. Excellent. That completes our walkthrough of the dance Damn Darlin, choreographed by Josh and Sally Talbot. Again, a 48 count, 2-wall improver level waltz. If you'd like to now give that go to a demo or demo with call, head on over to that video. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.